This is unique presentation for Ukraine because technologies that are applied to make sure that this is equipment that have been used already. And can you tell us in detail about this process? Our company, we are among the first to implement the biofuel projects. And so this is the entrance to our company. In 2005, we have been established. And the first project in Smila, Energo-Industrial, and director Mr. Pelipov is here, and 5 megawatt capacity, and these are the projects that our company. So briefly about Smila. First, we launched 3.5 megawatt capacity, and this enterprise used to produce heat only 18 gigacalories per hour. And CHP, 2.5 megawatts, the first complex, and then turbine 6 megawatt, and steam boiler. And in the winter we produced heat as well, and as well we have additional boilers for hot water. And in 2014 we have this turbine, and we are working the whole year, except for the period we are repairing it. And this is biomass used as raw material. And this is how the whole boiler looks like. And why it stopped, I have no clue. And this is a water container, water tank, and steam module. The ducting module for air. And here is pumps for water supply to the boiler, tank for the oil for turbine, and supplying of the water condensate, cooling water module, hot as well. And also tank for wooden chips. And the whole construction around the boiler. The top part and the lower part of this boiler. Radiators, and it is closed type, and the load depends upon the temperature, and the water is supplied and goes through filter, and diesel generator and transformer for our all needs. And a turbo generator, turbine there on top. So briefly, this is the crossover pipe and the piping system, and briefly what is all about in Pereyaslav that we constructed. And wooden chips are the most popular raw materials. We can produce it on our own, and we can get it as a ready-made product. We are providing ready-made wooden chips, and we are importing wooden raw materials, and we are producing wooden chips. And we can see we are renting vehicles to, and here is you can see that wooden chips are coming, and in case there are metal parts in it, it's filtered through and goes to the storage facility, and the storage facility that we have. This is the company that helped us to do it for automatically. We are unloading without human involvement, and as well it goes automatically into the boiler. And we speed up. And the companies that supply wooden raw materials to us, and there are rumors in case you have constructed this type of plant, the whole forests are going to be cut around. And here is chief engineer of the forestry. And we are buying from this forestry more than 15,000 cubic meters from them. And actually the residues from forestry, and definitely this is good for sanitation of the forest. And we are hiring just actually the residues we are getting, and we are producing into wooden chips and loading into containers and storage capacity and 150,000 cubic meters, and the how the storage capacity works. It goes from top and collected from top. There is no additional load, so you can see it goes down, that levels it down, levels down, goes up, and then levels again, and then we are keeping the storage capacity fully utilized. We can load and unload at the same time and use it for production purposes. And then we are loading another storage facility, and 1 week ago we just finalized this work in Pereyaslav. Those who are dealing with wooden chips and this type of raw materials, this is very interesting experience, and you can get this experience back, and we can share it with you.
Both the storage and station are operator controlled. There are 2 bays where we're The boiler is E22 based on Wartsala Finnish design. It was certified by Kharkiv Design Bureau. That's the operation of the boiler itself. Filters, reverse osmosis, and water treatment. The purification is very high. We take away oxygen and HCO3. Our system flue gas treatment, I already mentioned, multi-level flow, reverse recycling, English back filter. You see the slug and ash is supplied to agricultural construction. Everything therefore is stored in tightly sealed canisters, 5 megawatts in condensation mode, plus 315 megawatts of electricity. Currently, we heat all our facilities with low potential heat and